What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to delete certain or any app on your iPhone. The problem when you're unable to delete apps is usually related to some of your iPhone settings, such as content and privacy restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, head to Screen Time, and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Finally, head to iTunes and App Store Purchases, which will allow you to change these options. Make sure the Deleting Apps option is set to Allow if it was previously set to Don't Allow. If this option was already set to Allow, then there might be a problem with your app or iOS software. Make sure you're using the latest iOS version. Head back to your main iPhone settings and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update and proceed to download the latest update before restarting your device. A device restart can also help fix underlying issues and allow you to delete the app again. In case nothing helped you out, then head back to your iPhone settings. From here, head back to General and then tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a second to load your storage information and then search for the app you're unable to delete. Here, tap on Delete App and the app will be deleted and uninstalled from your device. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.